What does the elephant do? No, that's not the elephant. Yes. And what does the rabbit do? Hop like a bunny. Hop, hop.
Wait, I don't know. Wait, almost.
What is the sound of a bell?
Ding, ding, ding.
Oh, and
I
what is the sound of
Wait,
a cricket? Is that a cricket? Yes. What is the sound of a robot?
Robert.
I am a robot. Are you a robot?
Okay.
Are you okay?
Robert.
Robot.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Tito Roy.
No.
And what does the frog do? Robot. Caleb, what does the frog do? Hop?
Ribbit.